Yo, what's up? Wait, is my microphone working? Yeah, okay. Let's see. I think everything is ready. There we are, once again. Why am I on this branch? Oh, let's see. Let's see, this went live. I'm sending a message to Ernesto. Let's see. Alright, we'll be back in a bit. Let's see, what do we have in the master right now? I think Git kill. Yeah, update. Client, server, share. There's just root, which takes in the libraries, then the main. We got the which doesn't do anything really. Handle client, okay. Does it run both of the applications at the same time? Run. So build, client, execute, server, executable. Yeah. Well, Harold is not here to tell me what it does, but I think it will do that. Otherwise this would be weird. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I kinda need something. Something to wireless and handle client IO stream. Okay. I will plan quickly the architecture a little bit, because mainly the work is distributed across everybody else on the project. I'm just trying to figure out how to do this right so everybody can do something. That is done. Guild that I know is working right now, and then Matt and Roders. We got 3 guys on that, and then me and Harold on this thing. Yes. That's pretty much it. Let's see. Where is Planetary Sigma there? Or not learned rotors, but math rotors. Let's add rotors, and that's Gilded. Multiplayer, me and Harold work on renderer. I think this could get a little bit of a better list, but let's see. Cheesecake should also be in here, but I don't know. Renderer. Ernesto is also on that one. Isn't this part of the matrix math rotor shade? I will put this over here, and then because I think rotors was in that thing. Rotors, yeah, okay, that's way more descriptive. So let's get rid of that one. Yeah. It's weird when you got more people to work with you on the thing, because I'm like, how do I do anything now? I think physics will still run though on this thing. I think I have to study the code a little bit so I can actually figure out how to be useful. Let's see. I'm assuming this is running constantly. That it on Zig build run, it will also run the executable. So I'm gonna test it. But does it print the same terminal as this one? No, it doesn't. So what is the executable name? Binary server. So it's called server. Okay. Yeah, there is a server running from Planetary Sigma, and yeah, is it interesting? That's okay. So I assume the server is being ran then. I could also have seen that. And then we have Planetary Sigma, the actual executable somewhere, right? Can I do a grep, probably? I mean, it has to be. Even though it doesn't do anything, but what the hell? They should dash tail? Or how does it dash tail? Dash tail? How does this work? Upload page. Okay, so I just want the top secure filter. No, not by user. Okay. Planet. Okay, but server will provide me the. Yeah. Where's the planter signal? No, I'm not running. I'm running. Hello. Hiya. Planet. What if I just say server? Ah, okay, it doesn't actually find. Oops. Okay, this terminal just broke. Top. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot again. Top. Planet. No? What the hell? It is called planetary signal, but I don't see it. I think this should be it. But I don't find the executable anywhere running. Weird. It's not going too good. But that's okay. Well, we're doing a fresh restart, so I need to figure out how to coordinate now with more people, because before it was mainly me who wrote the code. Had some help from people who told me how to do things better, but they didn't like actually write. So I was listening that kind of soundtrack during coding in C++. Ah, nice. It's a guy on my Discord server, Iris, who created this music, and I was like, it would be nice to have some music on stream that is not copyrighted, but I don't know what music is not played like everywhere, which is still kind of unique. And then I asked the guy, and he was like, yeah, that's fine. It has been 4 hours. Shoo! But yeah, let's see. Harold. Shit, it's really hard to know what you could mess with now with more people. But I will just do this, because what we'll need. It's interesting if you think about it, because the physics library, right? We don't want it to be on the client. Yeah. But I think we want it still. The server definitely needs the physics. It's okay. What I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go into here. And I'm gonna here. Get this, and then it clone legacy. And just sneeze. Let's go! Legacy. Planetary Sigma. I'm fine. Feeling less boring. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Let's see. Multiplayer architecture. Getting sick, continue? Yeah. Yeah, it's getting worse. But it's okay. You know. At least it's weekend, you know, so I'm not missing anything in school or anything like that. Oh, this is really interesting. Concepts. Oh, okay. This one I have read already once. not gonna care. But okay. The architecture of multiplayer must meet the requirements of the challenge presented in the prologue. Why is making a multiplayer game so hard? The architecture cannot delay exist, delay duration are not consistent, predictable. Player can suddenly disconnect or the client. We don't really care about players suddenly disconnecting, right? We are not a like. I think it's good to consider later on, but for right now, for us, it's just getting something to run. And well, I don't think it's too hard to make a fix for it. But like, I'm more curious, like, how can we even make somebody replicate stuff? A single server where the actual game progress and decisions played out. A client will always be out of sync with server main components and network game aim are the client represents lands by multiple instances of the client engine class. Okay, so they're using object-oriented. The server represents lanes of singleton instance. Game logic represents lands by game engine class. The game world, which includes the... Okay, yeah, that's also another architecture design that I need to think of. We need a way to think about when you call, for example, render. What I used to do is that I took in the whole world, basically, which was just ECS, but now we consider the world everything, every system and whatnot. And I think that's still okay, because I got suggested that what I could do is instead have a render list that gets passed in, that you, outside of the renderer, creates, and then you pass it into here. But I'm like, why not just pass the world to begin with, in that case? It would maybe be more clean, in that sense, that you don't have to worry about messing about the whole world, but... Some of the messages are getting... Hello, Totsa! Yeah, no, that's the first message I have seen from you, so, yeah. Let's see. Choosing physics engine. True gaming mode. Canon. I don't think Canon. Oh wait, are they doing like what language are they using? DDoS, the government suppressing you. Exactly. I thought there would be a little bit more. Okay, that's okay. Especially if you use Vulkan. Hey, come on now. I've also heard about using Photon. That would be cool, but wow, it's like loading so fast. That's crazy. Nice loading, yes. Game state manager should maintain the authority game state. Yeah, all of this makes sense. I'm just trying to see a little bit more. These are just in general tests or like knowledge, but it's not like... Oh, that's fine, whatever. Okay. I think I will still go with the physics lib jolt. Right. We won't need Jolt for the client, only the server needs Jolt. So that's convenient. Networking is a complex topic. Are you working on new version or old version of this? New meaning the rewrite one, yeah. I still have the legacy, which is now I'm gonna take Jolt from and put it into the server place. I wonder, also out of curiosity. Oops. Are they using VMA? Because if they're not, I would strongly suggest for us to use VMA. Where's the sun? What? Oh wait, I'm inside sources, no wonder. I was like, what? Let's see, sun. What? No mention of VMA, so there are... What is this? Okay, but I can see that where do they have buffers? Mesh must be using buffers. You need a buffer. Yeah. DK usage goes through. Okay. Map memory. Okay, so they're okay. Okay, so they're not using VMA. So they have it from the device. Oh wow, so many buffers. Yeah, here. Trade buffer, VK buffer, map, yep. Requirements, yeah. Yeah. Well, that's okay. I don't feel so good. Woo. Set physics there. That is what I want. I'm on the master, but the pro shouldn't be doing this on the master. Oh, whatever. So we're gonna take in set physics, and then we can go to the build. And then here, do I... Server, no, I do it in here for the server. On set jolt, set fizz. Yeah, I'm gonna call it set fizz. I don't remember actually how to do this. Okay, I just call it this here. Get it. And let's see, use double precision. Yeah. Wasn't there something more to it? Oh no, it was later on when we actually took it. Maybe I'm just... Let's see. Oh, because I just didn't produce this. That's probably what we're gonna have to do, but for now, wait, am I doing this right? We don't have, we just have it for these ones, and it's gonna be called, let's see. Let's see, and this thing over here, but that's system. Yeah, that's a stupid reason, but that should be fine. Let's see. Shouldn't that be it? Create module. Create module is inside here. Root module. Harold might kill me for this, but that's okay. That shouldn't be there. Create module. Because then I need access to the module. So maybe we have to be done in here. But that doesn't make sense. Or is it on this? Okay. Add import. But that should come right after create module. Or after the return of it. And that happens here on this line. There. Or if I could save root module after. Why did I press insert? Oh wait, I could. No. Suffix. Yeah. Module. Physics module. And just leave it like so. Is that it? And then how does this work then? Because I need to take link library. Link. Is there such a link? Link C. Nah, I want the. I need that so. But that should also work in this system root module link library. Root module.link library, yeah. There's an error somewhere, which is a lie. And let's see. Where are we? Wait, it ran. Yeah, it just doesn't pop anything up when it's running. Okay. Forgot about it. I could also just to check it out real quick. Harold will probably rewrite your code eventually, Lamau. Yeah. He has a bigger stake now in this new version, so. I like to say lol or something like that for debugging. Let's see, I need to rebuild this. And then I don't think it compiled the new version. Because that should print in that case. Unless if I run it wrong. Okay, so it seems to be running, but doesn't just list RM. Now if I do this, it should have compiled the new one. Well, I should say lol, but because there is no screen. Wait, what? It should go into this thing. It's a server now. What the hell? Am I done? This should happen more.
Alright, what's up? I got a ping.
You got a ping? Ah, okay. Wait, what the fuck?
Ping clone. Stream? No, you're streaming. Okay.
Yeah, I'm ahead. Shouldn't this print out in the server?
You're ahead?
Shouldn't there be printed? My damn.
It's non-block. It's blocking IO.
Oh, so it's waiting for a
Blocking
read.
IO.
Okay.
No, it's waiting for someone to connect.
Wait. Oh, there, this thing.
The server accept. Yeah.
Blocks until a client. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. I added Jolt to the server.
Fantastical.
I don't know if it's the right way to do it, but it's there now.
That's probably a good way to do it. I mean, it should probably be in the shared.
Well, I don't know if it, because the server is the only one who should do the. I don't know, maybe.
Okay, no one else does physics.
Yeah.
I mean, in that case, yeah, sure.
We have to think about it probably, but let's see. Let's see how it goes. It's an experiment, right?
Yes, sir.
I was thinking. Oh, I don't feel good at all. I feel like it feels like my brain is about to come out my nose.
COVID question mark?
No, nah.
You sure?
10% sure. What I wanted to, now that you're here, so we will have Gilded working on Roders and Matt, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then Lorenzo, Cheesecake, and Ernesto are all kind of like working on the renderer at the moment. We probably have to talk about it because I'm a little bit unsure how it will work out, but none of them are here, and I don't know.
Yeah. Also, I don't know how much multiplayer I will actually be doing because I'm mostly working on the windowing manager currently for
That's okay. I will just, but I kind of need to get something to render so I can see that if something spawns in or not. That's the problem I need to figure out because I can't.
Yeah, but you can use TLFW for now, you know, and then I'll come and change it out.
Yeah, no, but what I mean is that I need a actual render that can render stuff. You get me?
Alright, but you can do hot reloading though. You don't need to render for hot reloading.
What? No, what? I need to be able to visually see that how latency work. You know, if I move forward, does it move directly forward?
Just have a print. Just have a print for now, and then we'll do that later. But you know, you can add a say file watcher or some shit.
But you mean making hot reloading?
Yes.
Well, then we need Cheesecake to push his fork
No.
of the renderer. Or
No,
what do you
I
mean?
don't think so.
Do you mean just for the
I think you're
server?
just not goated. I don't know, man.
That's crazy. I would like actually to implement that if a hot reload is or a change is detected, it would not stall the whole thing. It would instead make a separate thread that would read the changes and wait for the next iteration of the loop and then change out the new module inside of the loop when it's ready to receive it, you know?
Right.
Avoiding any kind of stalling. I guess that's something I could work on, just in general, like how to do that. But yeah, then we need to make... Do we... How does this work? If the server is kind of like the... You need to find like... Do we then just do... That would be good to read about it, but for the server... So it will have physics... And then it will take in commands from players and process them. And that's pretty much just an update thing. But should we just call it systems inside of the server, or what should we call it?
Huh? What? I don't know. I'm not in charge.
No, I'm just asking for name suggestions.
I don't get paid for this.
In the server, it will have like a main loop
Okay.
where it processes commands and then updates the physics and then sends it away, right?
Command buffer.
No. This process of doing this, because this is what will be hot reloadable, is it just... Should we just call it systems also on the server?
Yeah, sure, why not? Go for it.
And I will just take the beautiful inspiration from here. The way I did systems in here as well. Add library, system, create module systems. Let's see. Yeah. It's okay. Something that works. What the fuck is loading build configuration? What the hell? Why is it... What? Why is it telling me that? What the fuck is going on? Still going on about it, okay, whatever. I don't like that message. It's annoying. Add library. Yo, what's up, Anju? Name, system, root module, PHP, create. I have a question. Will you host a multiplayer test? Yes, it will get to that where that's the point also kind of why I want hot reloading for the server. Got my nose. Is to be able to take in people, right? This is the server, and take in people here, and then be able to do changes on the server, and people will be able to receive that without having to disconnect, reinstall a new client or anything like that, and there will be changes on the game logic. And another thing which I would like to try out, I don't know how it's gonna go about it yet, but let's say I am the dev here, I'm the dev client, and if I do a change to something visual like the renderer, right, I will be able to receive that hot reload as a developer, but the other clients will not, right? So what I would like to try out is also to be able to send the new DLL of the hot reloaded, or I'm saying DLL, but you know it's an SO, to the server, and the server would distribute it to the other clients while they're playing and be able to also receive the new update. And this is a circle with an arrow. So hot reloading for the clients as well. That's also something really cool. And not only that, another cool thing which is that I want timestamps, right? Time steps or whatever you want to call them. So it will register like times, and then as a developer you can press, for example, record or replay, and then the server will be spinning in a loop here on the same time period that happened, just for debugging purposes. That's what I would like to try out while other people are connected. I also have like way more crazier ideas than this in mind that I would like to try out, but those are a bit beyond my even comprehension on how to do it, but I'm gonna get there someday. But for now, this is what I would like to try out, so I'm gonna try to try out that stuff. Where was I? Target. Did you? Target. Optimize. Something is odd here, but that's okay. Imports. And this... Yeah, the server doesn't even need this thing. I really want to sneeze. But it's not happening. Oh, not good, not good. Okay. Like so. So now we got that, and what we'll do is we'll take this one away. And let's see. This will get that. And this one will be system. And that's so. And then we will just do a import to system, right? Yeah. So dot name, damn it, name is equal to system module equal to system. Right, we still need to do linkage dynamic. Let's see, it's still not created build module. Wait, module. Root module, right. Is that a bit weird to do maybe? That should be fine, yeah. Okay. So now it's hot. So let's see, is there anything? Yeah, yeah, we will have to use libcpp, I think. But let's see. What we can do now is we can go to the physics as well from here, because this pretty much will be the same idea, slightly different, because they use the same. It's gonna be the same setup from all of these things. So you're gonna take all of this, yank that, and slightly tweak it. So we got the server here. And what I want to do is I would like to create a source server. Yeah, it's not shared. right now I'm just gonna create a system that's Zig. So it's a struct in itself, though.
Zigzag. So
Yes. Or should be systems, but it's a system structure with systems inside of it. Yeah. Where did it go? Did I put it in client? Is it? What the hell? Where is it? I'm saved. There it is. Okay. And then what we can do is create the physics system, but I don't know what I should call it. Physics system. I'm just gonna call it physics. Zig, sock. Alright, I need to create it. E source server physics.zig. And save that one. And here we can paste out this. We will take std. Then we should have access to do what we do in here, just shared. Yeah. Const shared. And just write this one in build with the shared. So this one will also have to take in the shared. So now we can go back to physics. I think we can. Okay, hold on. Let me. What? I pressed too many. That should be it. Ah. That's true. Right. Wrong place. Hello, in a few minutes I'll be driving my Euro car in Beam. Okay. Be great, very nice, very nice. Beep. And this will be from source server systems, let's see. I don't understand why it still doesn't recognize that shared is part of the place it should be. Well, anyways, a day will come around. Because we'll get shared dot, let's see, physics. I think that's accurate how it is. We shouldn't have it public. True, I need to go. Alright, see ya. Let's see. I call it Sefi. I think it's better. Nothing shows up. What the fuck? Let's not worry about this or that. Renders is that we'll need to worry about. These things we'll need to worry about. And init. Let's not worry about this. We'll take in the allocator. Because that one is important for init. And yeah, all of these things are non-important now. Sadly, all of this just bam. That what? Is it because it doesn't recognize that? That should be fine. Not allowed between Not allowed between constant. Okay, I probably took a parenthesis too much. No. There's just the start and right. Same for this one. Update. Let's. Whoa. Let's not worry about that update at all. Okay. So now we can go into systems. Const. Physics. Oh, that's actually a class now. Physics system physics. Or class structure, right? Because it has fields. So we cannot let it be const physics. Cannot import physics.sig, and this one will pretty much take inspiration from what we do from here. Back. I wonder if this needs something happened. So we don't need the world for now. And the render will not be passed in as well. So, and then the update won't be used right now, but we need an init and a delete. Oh my god. Which is pretty much just this. Paste that there. And same thing, we don't need the world. Both of them. Which obviously I don't seem to be able to. Okay. So, very happy. Then we have the renderer. Don't need that one either. What else? Right, this thing. We don't have that. Don't need to worry about that. Don't worry about that. This thing we need to worry about. Yeah. So then I could go to server, and here we initialize the server. Let's also, oops, const system. So system try that. Right, we do have to do the file watchers now, but for now we'll do this. This is fine. I just want to see that it works. Wait, can I not do this? We actually have to do that. Right, it's gonna take a self-allocate, but it's not how we do it. Pass the address of system and then the allocator, which doesn't exist. Right, the pass reference. That should be right. That's not the function. Right. Then we have to do the lookup and do the file watcher. Oh shit. Well, that's shared. Because it will be used in both of them. E source shared. Should we call it file watcher? What did I call it? Watcher. I will take it. So this is a very old one, but it should be fine. Yeah. Var system. Bruh. And then we have to go up. And let's put it there, yeah. Well, I'm thinking it will come from shared. So let's keep it like that. We'll go to shared public const watcher. What do you call game? What the hell? Probably not the game. Why do I even have this thing? bit unsure about this. Okay, we'll let it be called game. I'm gonna rename it as soon as we have it working. But this is... Oh yeah, because it was before it was just used for game specific, but now it's a bit different, but it's okay. Make it work first, this, and then we'll change it. It will be called lip system, yeah. Don't remember why I have that S there, but that's okay. IO. After statement. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. And then what we'll do, we have to do the lookup that we do down there, but we can also do them in here. The same way we would do that, and yank that. I'm gonna change a few things. So, we don't need this one, we don't need, okay, that one we do need. Let's see, reload we don't need. This is the init. Yeah, that's what we need. And it's called the same thing. And we don't have the world for this. We don't have a render config either. So it's okay, like so. Now, that's pretty crazy, let's see. No field name called physics systems. Systems, okay. Line 12, no such thing as... Right, because I changed it. Just physics. And you're joking. It's okay, we can do this. And of course you cannot get it right. Oh, let's go. Still breaking. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now it's right. What's the problem now? Yeah, there's no such thing as it. Let's seriously run. I have no way of testing if this actually does what it's supposed to do. Well, because I can't see anything yet. That's okay. Let's see. Do you have anyone? No, we don't have that. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now what we can do though is just to make this a bit cleaner for everyone. Is to change this. I don't think this is the way to do it. What we're gonna do instead is that we're gonna take this away from here and put it here instead, remove the public, and then what we're gonna do is remove this thing, save that. So then it will be, this is the actual watcher. It says the file watcher with a private thing going on in here, and then it will complete in the main, but that's okay. From main, and let's see, we're gonna change it so just then this thing goes away, and that should still have the same behavior. So, let's see, we can also go and take a look. We don't need build, but now we go more out to lib. We should see lib physics, lib. What is think there's okay, wait, what? There's just one mention. Why is there I don't know.
What?
Why do we have? Why is there a lib renderer? Oh, it's probably not artifact from the previous one, right? It has to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, probably.
Wait, but no, we shouldn't push Zig out, should we?
No, we don't. That's why it's not changed.
Oh, it's a local one. That is.
It's
there.
your local.
Yeah. What the fuck? What's going on? Woo. My brain is. Oh boy. Fuck. Woo. It's okay. Woo. It's okay. It's a bit better. This one just moved a few structures which were relevant back in the days, but not relevant anymore. Yeah. Okay, we can do good. We can do. I need to do it so. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick change in here. So I'm not gonna be blocking this anymore. I'm just gonna take it this for now. Just see that we get the city debug brain. Hello. Place. So now I should just go yellow. No? Okay, that's weird. That something should at least should print this, if nothing else. Ah, much better. Yes, protection. Wait, is the what? There's not even such a file. Why would it try to? Fuck. Why is it trying to call such a thing? What's going on? That's so weird. Right. That's okay. That's not okay. That's strange. Is the build system somehow using some old cache version of the binaries? Because it seems like it have to go and manually remove the binaries for it to understand to reload them. Not the dynamic level, like actual executables.
That's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know. That never happens to me. Oh, you have the old build system as well. Oh. Right, I guess I didn't push it. Yeah, the thing right now is it really bad because it runs the client and the server, but it's unpredictable which one it does. It is like which one compiles first. So it's like really weird. It's we should fix it. You can do it through build options, or you could have like.
Should I just
don't
push
know.
this and you could do that? Ooh.
Well, all I'm saying then is that you'll have to have 2 terminals open. One to run the server and one to run the client.
I think that's... We could make a build script that executes both of them at the same time, or like as bash script. But I think running them in separate terminals just makes sense still though. Because you kind of want to, if you host a server, you don't wanna run the client at the same time if you just wanna host a dedicated server kind of thing, you know?
Yeah, but if you push that, what branch is it? Master?
Yeah. I can push it on a... Well, yeah, I could merge it to master, it should be fine. So yeah, I could do that. Yeah. Git dot... Sure, and... Jolt... B6. And then I will probably have to... I cannot push straight to master, so I have to git check out...
Well, you can just push it to a separate branch and I can check out that branch and then you can pull.
Okay.
It's easier.
File watcher.
Yeah.
Git push. Right.
What was the name? Oh, you haven't pushed it.
File watcher. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. You like the music? That's nice.
I can stream if you want and you can look.
Yeah, let's do that. It's Iris music. I don't know where it go.
Okay, so like, Lucas, you're gonna have to look in my terminal here. So would you prefer you do Zig build run,
it's loading.
and then you do the...
Okay, now it's there, yeah?
And then you do -d, and then you do like exe equals client or server, or do you prefer run client, or run server, or server run, or client, I guess.
Just...
You know.
That's yeah, that one looks like cleaner in a way.
Yep. Yes, that's easy peasy to do then.
Can you also do, if somebody just type run, that it tells you to... What?
That it does what then?
That it would say that type run client or run client, server. Because I will probably... I can see somebody who gets new to the project not really understanding what to do.
Yeah, I see. I could maybe do that. Yeah.
That would be cool. Why are you in the Grok server? It's
Yes.
not Grok. It's Spacetime DB. I didn't.
No, it's
Does Grok even
okay.
have a server? I'm not sure.
I don't know. You would probably join it though.
Yeah, I would. I think ChatGPT probably has one, but I'm not even part of it.
Damn, how dare you?
Yeah.
Okay, now if I do Zig build run server. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna have multiple of this. Okay. My goodness, how much shit have you guys added?
I added physics jolt, so that's C++. Oh, I didn't link with libcpp. I might have to do that, or just understand.
Yeah. Probably not. We can see what error is creating. Root source file abstract POSIX has no.
Oh, what?
AKA deprecated.
Sure.
Let's see here. S3 POSIX course they remove it. Yeah, I don't know. Lately they have been just removing shit out of POSIX. There's like nothing here nowadays. Nothing here, bro.
Well, I should be probably using IO anyway.
Yeah. I'm not sure if it has that.
I could just GPT that real quick, maybe, but with MCP. I meant with the the Claude intern thingy, because it has the MCP server. So
Nah.
you could probably find out what's the new way of doing it.
Nope, it's bullshitting.
We have no shaders. Do we embed them or load them at runtime, or embed them in release and open? Basic with
Fantastic. Okay, but it's just these two functions. Right. What we can do actually is just take these two functions and add them as they were previously, as you know.
I'm responding to
Yeah.
Cheesecake about shaders. If they should be done during runtime or somewhere else. I've been doing it in build. Same revenge.
Yeah.
Now I can't talk anymore. We also did it in build. Oof. What was your question?
Can you go into your standard library, basically POSIX, and find this function, and we can just join that code and put it into this code. You know, these functions, that and that.
Yeah, I notify these things.
Yes,
But
the
then
join that.
We need this one as well then. Wait.
Yeah, well, sure.
No, it's
I
just
mean,
that.
we can just put it to any error. But we can just put it to any error, it doesn't matter.
Let's do that. Put it here.
Yeah, and also the add watch thingy. I think the Zig developers were just not too happy because you see these are like how dare we have something simple? I mean, that is not allowed. You have abstracted away behind an interface.
For real.
System. We need another function.
Another one, which is
We need the one from POSIX system. So it's like STD POSIX system icon. If I it's fine. It's there in the system. Yeah, you can see. Yeah.
syscall.
Yeah. Oh. Thank you.
What the fuck? Cannot paste it. There. And I will check the
Love
other
to
one.
see it. You love to see it.
I will give you these ones as well. I guess. And oh wait, it uses this one as well. Which uses that one. Oh my god. That's great.
Yes. Yeah, I know.
You see, this is why you don't use standard libraries. They do so much for you.
I don't know why they remove this shit because they want to have like cross-platform alternatives. It's just like, where do you find those? Where are they?
Well, isn't that
someone
what the
please help.
I/O is now meant to be for?
Well, sure, but there is no such function in I/O. You see?
Well,
What would this called? Watch? Yeah, there is no watch here.
no. I notify. What could that possibly? Wait,
I
do
notify
I
doesn't-
have the wrong Zig version right now? Or why do I have access to that?
You have an old Zig version.
But how is that? We are using the same project with the minimum version, right?
Yeah, minimum version.
Right. We should probably update it then to the latest.
Probably. I can do that if you want.
Yeah. I can actually go ahead and do it right now while you're working on that.
No, bro. If you do it, then you're gonna have to do merge stuffies.
It's never good, is it? Whatever I do, it's wrong.
Yes, it is wrong.
Download. Where's the actual download for Zig? What the fuck? Wait, what? Wait to community download there. Huh. I think I will actually end the stream one day in time because I'm not feeling too good. Feels like my head is about to do the explosion.
The explosion, yes.
Yes. Oof. That is gonna be freaking sick. As soon as we get like a little bit of renderer, because then we can actually like try the multiplayer stuff out, and then the hot reloading. It's gonna like, even if we just get a box, we can already try out the hot reloading working on the server for all of the clients. Oh, that's gonna be so sick.
What is this fun thing? Where is this at?
But we probably should not. I think we should switch to probably using the IO instead of using this POSIX specific thing.
Yeah, bro, but there is no thing for
There is.
the IO yet.
Let me cook.
Really?
I will figure it out.
Yeah, okay, good luck. Yeah, find it for me right now.
I will do it some other time when I have less pay.
Oh, hell no. You are so cooked. The C-Physics thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, use an old mutex type.
Yeah.
Global states. Bro, you should use the C version of this.
That's
mutex. Yeah, same difference. Is it like an empty? It's fantastic.
Do we have to look into another physics library? Because if you use the C binding for Jolt, then when we're that one ain't looking good when you combine it with Zig. But I can try it. I could do it.
You're gonna have to do that because this C-Fix, like, you can find a fork that's more modern for this C-Physics thing.
Yeah.
You're cooked because this C-Physics thing uses like mutexes, which now are in the IO, and that means that you have to pass around the IO to the mutexes.
We can also consider other physics libraries because there's a big problem with Jolt, and that's with the dynamic hot reloading. It doesn't like it at all.
I guess.
Because it uses a
now
global
is the
state.
time to change.
Yeah.
Okay, now is really the time to change.
I will look into that then tomorrow, but I think we'll end the stream here. I'm too sick for this.
Yes. It's good. I added the minimum version. Git add, git quit. Doesn't work. Thanks, Ziggy. Okay. Pushed and alrighty. See you around tomorrow. Same time. Say as always.
Yeah. Alright. Bye bye.